Fancy recipe that any poor person can make with ingredients you have at home. In a saucepan or frying pan, we're going to start here by adding 20 grams of butter or margarine. Now on top, we're going to add 20 grams of wheat flour, and we're going to mix all this really well with the heat on low temperature. It's going to stay in this texture. Now on top, we're going to add 350 milliliters of milk. Once that's done, now we're going to mix all of this really well until it starts to thicken. During the process, we're going to start seasoning. I used a little bit of salt, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of black pepper. The amount is up to your taste. Once that's done, we just have to mix again until we reach the ideal consistency. And this here, folks, is already the perfect point when it starts to thicken and stay in that texture. Once that's done, our white sauce is ready. Now you can transfer it to a container, or you can eat it however you prefer, by adding it to pasta or even adding it as a side to your meal. This recipe is great to accompany drier dishes like chicken breast, dishes that go with potato sticks. So folks, you can play around and use it as you want. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the poor guy in the kitchen. Big hug. See you next time, and thanks.